안녕하세요. Welcome back, friendly Kazuma here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful oisobagi. So oi is this cucumber, sobagi means the thing with the stuff like a filling. The filling in Korean, we call it so. So if you don't know how to make the proper oisobagi, oi gets too soft in a short time during fermentation and you cannot enjoy it anymore. So I'm just gonna tell you all the secret how to harden the surface or how to make a delicious oisobagi today. So stay tuned. The vegetables are cucumber, carrots, onion, red chili, and chives. And for making a seasoning, I have some cooked rice. So if you don't have the cooked rice, then you can just have the rice powder, either the flour, it can be replaced. And fish sauce, plum extract. Also, if you don't have the plum extract, then you can just use sugar. Ginger and garlic. Those two, I have the minced one. Anyway, you can prepare the fresh one, then we can just use the blender. Salt and water to preserve the cucumber and chili powder, please. The first thing comes first. So let's just prepare our big bowl like this. Later, we're gonna pour the hot boiling water into it, so do not prepare the plastic ones. Then, you can put all the cucumbers into it. I'm just gonna pour this hot boiling water over the cucumber. Right away, then you can prepare the cold water. And then put those cucumbers into the cold water immediately. So you can just put them in the cold water and then cool them down. Before doing this, you gotta wash the cucumber properly ahead of time. So now we gotta just take them. And then we'll start to cut it. How you can cut the cucumber is cut the edge for both sides. Then I'll divide them into 3. Like this. So this is about like a 4 to 5 centimeters. So after that, make a cross out. And here, you can just leave about like 2 centimeters. So cut it in this way. So after cut them, let's just put them in a bowl. And now I'm just gonna make a salt water. So actually this is the sea salt, but I finely ground. So you can see the difference, right? So put them in a bowl. We will still use the salted water, so you can prepare the drinkable water. You pour it into a bowl and mix. With the sea salt, we can preserve for about like an hour, but like in this way, you can just only preserve for half an hour. And we can put it over the cucumber. Try to mix them. I'm just using this transparent glass bowl just to show you. You can prepare some white bowl and the salted water can cover the whole cucumber. Put it on the side. While we are waiting, let's do some vegetable preps. With the chives, we're gonna just cut it to very small, tiny pieces, maybe 1 to 2 centimeters. Do not cut the vegetables big because then it will just go around out of the cucumber. So the cut chives, let's put it in a bowl. And we'll do carrots. So peel off the carrots. We're just gonna use only half. So slice the carrot first, and now we're gonna julienne. Even this carrots will cut them again into a small bits, like also 1-2 centimeters length. You can see how tiny they are. And the chilies, just cut them in half. And rinse them. And we're gonna cut it into a very small tiny pieces. You can add chilies when you grind to make the seasonings, but I'm just chopped it in this way because it just makes the color more beautiful. From time to time, just once or twice, you can just turn them upside down. The onions, also you can chop it. Turn and just one more time. Let's put them in a bowl. So vegetable preps are done. So now we're gonna see the cucumber. This is more flexible to open it, right? So we're gonna put the filling inside, then it's ready to use. So when not washed in a fresh water, just squeeze it gently and put it in the separate bowl. And then we're gonna use this salted water for making seasoning. So I have some of those. So for making a seasoning, we're gonna add this salted water first. Then the chili powder, ginger, garlic, the cooked rice. The reason that I put the cooked rice is more good for the fermentation and also it gives the sweetness from the rice. And the plum extract. Look at it, this is nice paste. So let's add this paste. I'm going to mix the vegetables with the paste. So this is done. So with a cucumber, you can put them and try to roll them a little bit just to get them some colors. Then open it up and put the fillings, so like this. Do not put too much because it will come out. So just put a proper amount of salt and this is ready. The rest of the filling I got a little left. So if you still have some chives, you can just cut like 4 to 5 centimeters length. Then you can mix it together. So that's gonna be a chive kimchi, so nice chive salad, right? So you can use it in that way. So let me have a bite. Did you hear that? you're gonna have the crunchiness and the texture until you finish this oisobagi. Isn't that amazing? Very incredible, right? So I recommend you to have this oikimchi for half day from now on, and you can put it in the refrigerator. And for the week of the time, you can enjoy this oisobagi so much. This is really good for hot summer season. So I hope that you enjoyed my cooking channel today. And if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button for me. So I hope to see you on my next video. So thank you everyone, and 또 만나요.